YouTube. As you can see, I've got my YouTube ad on as usual. This is just going to be a quick, got a raspy voice, sorry about that. Just gobbled down a bunch of coffee. So anyway, this is going to be a quick, a little deep dive video from my Android tablet. We're going to deep dive a little bit into the TubeBuddy on Android and why I like TubeBuddy so much. I'm making this little video specifically for a group that I belong to on Facebook, um, uh, and again, you can get the free version. So um, let me go into here and I'll probably have to adjust my little face cam here. I'm just really loving this face cam here, this screen recorder. Um, I went into that. So let's tap into my TubeBuddy thing is right down there, right above my cat. So I'll tap on the TubeBuddy icon, and we'll go right into that. And there are just some things, deep dive things on this. It's going to take a few seconds for it to load. That's just part of my internet. It's the way it is. Okay, come on, hurry up. Okay, yeah, this will just take a few minutes. It's probably competing. Oh, here we go. It's almost on. It's going to take a few minutes here. That's the problem when your Wi-Fi isn't so great. Okay, loading videos, and I just want to go into some um, little deep dive here, and I'm going to move my face cam down a little bit because let's just move it down while it's doing that. Okay, yeah. Oh, there we go, my alien eyes. Okay. Come on, hurry up thing. I just want to make this good. My battery's running low. That's part of the problem. The tablet's a little warm. Okay. Alright. Is it still loading? Ah, here we go. Here we go. This is what I want to do. And I'm going to see these, if we go up here, up to the right corner, you're going to see little bars above the top video, and it'll show you. Right now it's showing all recent videos. Let's go into here, and we're going to go into one of my videos. I'm just going to show you why. Okay, oops. What is it? Oh, yeah, okay. Settings, I want to show off. Okay, let me move my thing. Is it showing all public videos? Okay, I thought that it could show, what is this? Can we show, oh, loading, okay, I just refreshed the page. There was an option, I thought, maybe I was trying to look at my most popular videos, but it doesn't look like it's giving me that option. And that's kind of what I wanted to talk about. If I can't do that, I'll just go into one of the other videos and just kind of just go into the analytics of my most recent video. I wanted to do my most popular video, but apparently for whatever reason it's not letting me do that. Maybe they changed something. Okay. Showing. Okay. And it should give me a choice to show all recent videos or to all. It's still circulating here. Okay. Let me hit this again. Okay, yeah, they must have changed it. Okay, instead of going into my most uh, um, popular video, I thought, let me see what these little three bars on the bottom do. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can go into the community. Okay, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about. Let's do this instead, and I'll do a little bit on my top video and go into the analytics. Here, you go into the community, and I need to before I go into the community, I need to get my correct login information from my laptop because I'm not logged into the community. Um, that's the TubeBuddy forum, and it's a really good thing. It's going to load the community, and I'm going to show you the community page here. Um, I need to go into the be more participate more in this community, and that's one of the benefits. The reason I use both TubeBuddy and vidIQ. TubeBuddy is really primarily for me is like bulk editing. If I need to bulk edit descriptions, bulk edit tags, that sort of thing. That's why I upgraded. Um, I can do that sort of thing, and it kind of speeds up any kind of big. If I have a lot of things I need to update, I can update um, quickly. Uh, that's really what I use TubeBuddy for. I'm going to do a whole separate video on this TubeBuddy versus vidIQ. I think I've already done one on that, but I'm going to go more in depth on that. But vidIQ, if you want to know the statistics, I really like vidIQ to go in the statistics, and I've done vidIQ on that, and I'm an affiliate of both vidIQ and TubeBuddy. But here, see, welcome to TubeBuddy. I'm signed up, but I need to get my things like I said. But look, here's the forum. News announcements, frequently, comments, blogs, and it has all these things, and then introduce yourself, and then collaborations. See, it has new, a lot of stuff that it says new. And here we go, YouTube thumbnail and photography. So this is what I'm getting at. This is why I need to go into this forum. So um, I can see what's going on, and this is a great way. Again, it's free, um, um, so this is a very good thing. So let me get out of the community here. Let me tap this arrow, and let me go into it, and then this is just going to be a. Okay, come on. Let me. Okay, come on. Okay. No. It's the wrong thing. Okay. Let's try it this way. Try it this way. Okay, try it this way. Okay. I got out of it. Okay, fine. I'll move me back up here. Go back into TubeBuddy. Okay, hopefully it won't take as long this time. Good. And I just want to go into videos, and let me just move my face down here. This is just like, I am really liking this because I can upload this video directly to YouTube from my Android, and I can do any kind of things in the Studio Beta editor. If I need to trim or anything like that, I'm still working on that. I'm having problems on the beta with trimming and stuff like that. Um, but I would like to be able to add like little clips and stuff. But I can probably put like little B-roll overlays and things on my videos. I'm going to work on that. That's something um, that I'm working on here. Okay, we're going back into this. I just want to show you why I use TubeBuddy, because in the mornings what I do is I I pour over all the statistics and stuff, and that's the main thing I do in the morning. It's like every day I look at my statistics and I basically weep. Yeah, see, you can see I'm kind of pausing here now. Um, uh, I got some idiot doing something, and that's that was part of one of my other videos. Let's go into this latest one. And go into here. Let's tap into the video and see. Okay. Alright, let me tap the three dots and see what it says. What does the three dots do? Okay, my battery is getting low, so okay. Come on. Okay, let's go into the video, damn it. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, okay. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, okay. Okay. So no, I don't want to share. This is not what I wanted to do. Okay, I wanted to tap onto the video. Maybe it was in the studio. Maybe it was, no, I responded to the three dots. Okay. Alright. Yeah. I got things going on. Okay, let's see if it should be able to. If I tap on here, it should. Oh, well, it took me out. No. Okay, now where am I at? Where am I at? No. Alright. Okay, well, I'm done with this for now. And there's a way to get in here. My battery's getting low. I got all kinds of other things going on. And so I'm going to get off and I'm going to download this now. So I will talk to you later. But there's more to go on this, but I'm just having too many problems right now.